In this video, I'm going to discuss the concept of differential equations. So generally differential equation plays very important role in physics, engineering, biology, economics and so on because many physical laws and relations appears mathematically in the form of differential equation. So let us move to the definition of differential equation. Differential equation is an equation first of all. So this equation contains independent variable, dependent variable and its derivative. So such equation is called the differential equation. For example, d square y by dx square plus 5x into dy by dx plus y is equal to x square is an differential equation because first of all it is an equation. So this equation contains independent variable x, dependent variable y and its derivatives also appear in this equation. Therefore equation 1.1 is the differential equation. Similarly 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5, 1.6 all the equations are the differential equations. So second equation you can observe dy by dx equal to sin 2x. First of all it is an equation. So this equation contains the independent variable, dependent variable and moreover the derivative also. So similarly, so other four equations are differential equations. We can classify the differential equations as ordinary differential equation called as ODE and second one is partial differential equation. So let us move to the what exactly the ordinary differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, first of all it is a differential equation which contains ordinary derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to only single independent variable. Such equation is called ordinary differential equation, otherwise called as ODE. Let us move to the definition of partial differential equation. So partial differential equation again is an equation, differential equation. This equation containing partial derivatives of one or more dependent variable with respect to more than one independent variable is called partial differential equation, called as PD. Let us move to some examples of ODE as well as PD now. So you take the equation 1.1 is the ordinary differential equation because this is an equation, differential equation which contains independent variable, dependent variable. Moreover, derivative of the dependent variable with respect to only one independent variable. So such equation is called ordinary differential equation. Let us move to second example. Second example is also ordinary differential equation because the derivative of the dependent variable with respect to only single independent variable x. So equation 1.2 is also ordinary differential equation. Let us move to the third example. Du by dx plus dv by dx is equal to 0. So u and v are the dependent variable corresponding only one independent variable. So therefore equation 1.3 also ordinary differential equation. Let us move to next example. D cube x by dt cube plus 3 into d square x by dt square plus 3 into dx by dt plus x is equal to cos t. It is also a ordinary differential equation because derivative of dependent variable x with respect to the single independent variable. So therefore this equation is called ordinary differential equation. Let us move to next example. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou x square is equal to 0. So this equation is called partial differential equation because we have a dependent variable u corresponding, we have two independent variable. There are two partial derivatives with respect to x and y. So therefore this equation is called partial differential equation because u is a dependent variable corresponding, we have a two independent variables are there, more than one independent variables are there. Therefore this equation is called partial differential equation. Last example is also partial differential equation because this equation contains the independent variable, dependent variable and the derivative also. Moreover there are partial derivatives are there. So u is a function of more than one independent variable. There are three independent variables are there. So therefore this equation is called partial differential equation. Now let us move to the order of differential equation. The order of the differential equation is the highest order derivative appearing in the differential equation. Immediately we move to the degree of a differential equation. The degree of a differential equation is the highest power of the highest derivative appearing in the differential equation, and provided the given differential equation is free from the radical sign or fractional exponents. Let us move to the examples. Dy by dx plus y is equal to sin x is a first order first degree differential equation because degree of y is 1 and order of the highest derivatives first order, therefore first order first degree differential equation. And more, it is a ODE because y is a function of only one independent variable. Let us move to second examples. D square y by dx square minus square root of dy by dx is equal to x. So in this case, in the second term, you can observe that a fraction is there, just you have to make a free from the fraction. So this can be written as d square y by dx square minus x is equal to square root of dy by dx. Taking squaring on both sides, just free from the fraction now. So this implies d square y by dx square minus x whole square is equal to dy by dx. So this is equation number 1. Now it is a differential equation, ordinary differential equation, because y is a function of only one independent variable. It is a second order differential equation because highest derivative is 2a and power is 2 for the highest derivative. So therefore it is a second order second degree differential equation. Now let us move to third example. Y is equal to sin of dy by dx is a first order differential equation because highest order is 1 and degree does not exist because sin of dy by dx is a power series. So this can be written as dy by dx minus dy by dx whole cube by 3 factorial plus etc etc. So sin x, sin x series x minus x cube by 3 factorial and so on. So here x is equal to dy by dx. Here degree we cannot define this equation, therefore is a first order differential equation but degree does not exist. Now let us move to fourth example. D square y by dx square plus 5x into dy by dx whole to the power of 4 plus y is equal to x square is a second order first degree differential equation. Highest order is 2 and power for the highest order is 1. So therefore is a first degree second order ODE. So why ODE? The y is a function of only one independent variable. Now let us move to definition of linear and nonlinear differential equation. A differential equation is said to be linear differential equation if the first condition of the linearity, the degree of the dependent variable is same. The second condition of the linearity is the dependent variable y and its derivative should not multiply together. So then we can write the equation is linear differential equation. Otherwise, if any one of the condition fails, so that equation is called nonlinear differential equation. Let us move to some examples. Take a first example. D square y by dx square plus y is equal to sin x is a linear differential equation. What is first condition? Degree of the dependent variable is 1, means same. So first condition is satisfied. Y and the derivative will not multiply here. So therefore it is a linear differential equation. Let us move to second example. Dy by dx equal to sin of xy is a non-linear differential equation where sin of xy is a non-linear term. Sin of xy can be written as using power series. So that is equal to xy minus xy whole cube by 3 factorial and so on. So we cannot define the degree. So therefore degree of the dependent variable is not same. First condition of the linearity will fail. Therefore this equation is non-linear differential equation. Hence sin of xy is the non-linear term. Let us move to third example. d square y by dx square plus 5 into dy by dx plus y square is equal to x. Again it is a non-linear differential equation where y square is non-linear term, because so degree of y is not same. Here degree is 1, here 1, here degree is 2. So degree of the dependent variable is not same. Therefore this equation is called non-linear differential equation. Let us move to fourth example. D square y by dx square plus 5x into dy by dx whole to the power 4 plus y is equal to x square. Again it is a non-linear differential equation, because so degree of y is 4 here, here 1 is here. So degree of the dependent variable is not same. Therefore it is a non-linear differential equation where dy by dx whole to the power 4 is a non-linear term. Let us move to fifth one. Y into d square by dx square plus 5x into dy by dx whole to the power 4 plus y is equal to x square. Again it is a non-linear differential equation where y into d square y by dx square is non-linear term, because second condition of the linearity will fails, because y and its derivatives are multiplied together. Therefore this is a non-linear term. Moreover, degree of y is not same. Here 1 is here, 1 plus 1 2 here, here 4 is there. Degree is not same. Therefore it is a non-linear differential equation. Let us move to general solution of the differential equation. Let us consider it is a nth order differential equation. Any solution of differential equation with n number of arbitrary constants is called general solution. If it is first order differential equation, x comma y dash is a first order differential equation. Solution of this equation is f of x comma y comma c is equal to 0, where c is a arbitrary constant, is a general solution of first order differential equation. But general solution with one arbitrary constant is the general solution of first order differential equation. Suppose if it is second order differential equation, x y dash y double dash is equal to 0, the general solution of this equation is f of small f of x comma y comma a comma b is equal to 0 is a general solution of second order differential equation. So solution with general solution with two arbitrary constants for second order, it is general solution. If any nth differential equation, for nth differential equation, if you have solution with n number of arbitrary constants, that's called general solutions of nth order differential equation. Let us move to particular solution. Any solution which can be obtained from the general solution by taking particular values of arbitrary constants. Nothing but particular solutions of the differential equation. Singular solution is a solution of the differential equation, but this solution cannot be obtained from the general solution, and this solution always covers the general solution, and this solution can be obtained by eliminating the arbitrary constant from the general solution. Let us take one example. Consider the differential equation dy by dx whole square is equal to 4y. So this can be solved by the method of separation of variable. Let me solve. So dy by dx is equal to square root 2 times of square root of y. Separate the variable. Dy by square root of y is equal to 2 into dx here. So just let us integrate this. 1 by root y integration is 2 root y is equal to 2x plus 2c here. 2c is arbitrary constant here. So root y is equal to x plus c. So y is equal to x plus c whole square. X plus whole square. So therefore y is equal to x plus c whole square is the general solution of first order differential equation, where c is the arbitrary constant. Because first order differential equation has a solution, y is equal to x plus c square is the solution, whole square is solution, where c is the arbitrary constant. So this equation has solution with one arbitrary constant. Now let us move to a particular solution. We can choose c any value. C is arbitrary constant. If I take c is equal to 1, so y is equal to x plus 1 whole square is a particular solution of this differential equation. Even though y is equal to 0 is a solution of this differential equation, because when y is 0, dy by dx also 0. So y is equal to 0. This solution satisfies the given differential equation. Therefore, y is equal to 0 is also a solution, but this solution will not be obtained from the general solutions. Therefore, so this solution is called singular solution of the differential equation.